All right, y'all, we about to make some shrimp and broccoli stir fry. Let's go. Go ahead on, y'all, cut that broccoli up. All right, y'all, so I got 2 pounds of shrimp right here. Go ahead with some soy sauce. About 1/4 cup, maybe a little bit more. Now go with some cornstarch, y'all. Maybe about 3 tablespoons. Go ahead on now, mix it all up real good, y'all, and let it sit for about 5-10 minutes. So we done washed the broccoli, we done cut it. Let's go to the stove. Go ahead on, y'all, and boil that broccoli for 3 minutes. In 3 minutes, go ahead on and take that broccoli out. All right, y'all, put a little bit of vegetable on there, 5 tablespoons of minced garlic. Y'all go in there with them shrimp. 1/4 cup of green onion, go with that. Go in there with 3 tablespoons of white wine. All right, y'all, go ahead on and saute them shrimp until they all pink. All right, y'all, check it out. The shrimp sauteed, go ahead up in there with the broccoli and cook that for 2 more minutes. Go ahead and mix it all up. All right, y'all, go ahead on there and hit that with some salt. Now go ahead and hit it with the sesame oil, y'all. Be generous. All right, y'all, go ahead on and check that out.